In the depths of space, where stars dance and galaxies twirl, a grand adventure is about to unfold. Welcome aboard the lost Starship. Meet our intrepid cruisera, Grunt, Nova, and Buzz. Together, they journey across the cosmos in search of wonders beyond imagination. Their latest mission? To discover the legendary lost starship, rumored to hold secrets of the universe within its ancient hull. But the journey is fraught with peril, as they must navigate treacherous nebulae and evade the clutches of space pirates who seek the lost starship for themselves. With courage and ingenuity, our heroes press onward, driven by the promise of discovery and the bonds of friendship that unite them. For in the vast expanse of the cosmos, it is not just the destination that matters, but the journey itself and the friendships we forge along the way. And so, as they chart a course through the unknown, the lost starship sails ever onward, a beacon of hope in the endless sea of space. Until next time, brave adventurers, may your dreams carry you to the farthest reaches of the universe and beyond.